Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today I will be talking about the body kit that I ordered for my MX83 Cressida. I bought these from what's it called? Fine Line Aero. This is MX83 MBN body kit. So not sure what that stands for, but that's the one that I went for. I think this body kit looks a little bit more aggressive than some of the other ones. Like the design of the front bumper is not as clean as some of the other ones, like I think it's the BN kit or whatever, but overall I think the way this body kit will make this car look will be a lot better than some of the other ones, because I feel like some of the other ones, like you see the side skirt, how it flares out like that. I feel like some of the other ones, they're more straight, so the car will look a little bit more weird once I put fender flares on here, versus like with these ones, since they flare out. If I put fender flares on here and get like a wider offset wheel or lower offset wheel, the car will look more OEM, I guess you could say. It won't look like I just have like crazy camber or like crazy poke or anything. So that's the plan. But anyways, show you guys around with this body kit. Sucks that it came cracked right there. I think on the lower lip somewhere. Yep, right there, that's cracked. I feel like it came like it was cracked before they shipped it to me, you know, because the box was a little rough, but it didn't look like something punctured the box and it hit it right here, you know, because the box was like, obviously the edges were a little bit damaged, but like obviously this was on the edge, these ends were on the edge, and they didn't see any damage. And the front bumper was actually tucked inside the rear bumper, and the rear bumper doesn't actually have any damage. So it makes me think that it's already damaged from the manufacturer, which kind of sucks. And they did take about a month longer to get this kit shipped to me than what they forecasted on their website, you know, because they said 30 to 60 days fully made and shipped, you know, and then it took closer to 90 days. So yeah, that's that. But anyways, yeah, I don't know if this is, like, you can see in the sunlight, like it's a two-piece. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be or what, but like they just kind of like mold it together. Like you can see it over here too, and this side's pretty bad. Like, look at that. Like, what the heck is going on here? You know, I don't know if this is like a common thing with like fiberglass or what, but like the wing, the 99 spec wing that I ordered for my RX-7 in a previous video, like pretty much the same thing. Like, it was actually a little bit worse than this, because this one at least the edges are somewhat smooth. I mean, stuff like this, it's not smooth, but like still, like I don't know if like this is like a fiberglass thing, or if it's just like I rushed them because they were taking too long on my kit. But like, I don't know, not completely happy with how it came out, but I guess it is what it is. This body kit did cost me $1,000 shipped to my door, or $999.99. So pretty much exactly $1,000 shipped to my door. Right now the prices are raised, probably because of the whole like shortage of supplies and everything, but I bought it right before the prices went up, so I got it for exactly $1,000. Side skirts, you know, they're rough too. Not like terrible, but not great. Like, yeah, it's I haven't even tried test fitting them on the car itself to see like how well they actually fit, or like how off they are or whatnot, but hopefully it like fits up almost perfectly for the most part, you know. Like, If anything, maybe just this edge goes up a little bit into the door only, you know. I'm hoping I don't have to like trim a bunch of stuff and redo a bunch of stuff. If I do, I will definitely make a video to show that process, and hopefully you guys can make your own decision on if you guys want to go with this company or not. But yeah, it's not like there's a lot of companies that make body kits for this car anyways. But yeah, same with this side. It's not perfect, but it's not bad, I guess. Yeah, I think the worst parts of this kit is just this crack right here, the crack down there on the lip, and then obviously like this joint right here. Like, that's pretty much the biggest flaws that I don't like about this kit. I don't know when I'm going to be installing these, but should be going on sometime soon, maybe this year. We'll see. I still have to put a turbo kit in here, but I think I will be doing this before I put a turbo kit in here, just because you can't find ARP head studs right now. And oh my goodness, if I get it shipped from UK, $300, like, yeah, I could, but I don't really need to build this engine that bad. So yeah, I would just, you know, do some body work, paint it, throw it on the car, but I still want to get over fenders, so I kind of want to do all that at the same time. You know, I don't want to paint like 3 or 4 different pieces at 3 or 4 different times, you know. So I want to get the over fenders out, probably like stick it out like 3 inches or so. And if you look along the side of the car, 3 inches sticks out right here. It'll fit just perfectly with the side skirts and how the front bumper flares out like that. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys this kit really quick. I will show you guys again once I start fitting it up, getting it, you know, finalized on the car. But one thing, I have already test fitted the front bumper. Yeah, anyways, you have to chop, because this fender, I don't know why Toyota designed it like this, but it's pretty much one piece and it bolts to the lower lip or whatever, and then the other side is pretty much the exact same thing. So it's like really weird design. Most cars, like, literally it just stops right here, but I guess Toyota decided to design it this way. But anyways, yeah, I cut it off right here so that the, like, pretty much like way up here, cut it all the way off so that the bumper can actually bolt in right here. But yeah, I'll do that another time. Right now I just want to get this car on the road. You know, it's already been on jack stands for 3 months now, maybe. I mean, it's done. It's just, it's still winter, middle of winter right now, so supposed to be getting like 60-degree weather next week. Hoping all this snow, or most of this snow, melts. Hopefully I get to take this car out in a couple weeks, see how she drives. But yeah, for now, body kit will be on hold. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll just throw the stock bumper and everything back on and just enjoy it the way it is for a while, you know. Body kit will be fitted onto the Cressida eventually. Anyways, thanks for tuning in.